Have you ever wondered how many times your body saves your life without you even noticing? Right now, as you're watching this video, your body is performing countless actions designed to protect you. You don't control them, you don't think about them, and most of the time, you don't even realize they're happening. And today, we're going to explore 5 involuntary movements that help keep you alive. Some of them happen thousands of times a day, but every single one of them exists for one reason: to protect you. Let's begin. Number 5, blinking. Think about the last time you blinked. You probably don't remember. That's because blinking happens automatically. In fact, the average person blinks around 15 to 20 times every minute. That means you may blink more than 20,000 times in a single day. Most people assume blinking is just a way to close the eyes for a moment, but it's actually much more important than that. Every blink spreads a thin layer of tears across the surface of your eyes. This layer keeps your eyes moist, clean, and healthy. Without it, your eyes would quickly dry out. And dry eyes aren't just uncomfortable. They can become irritated, inflamed, and more vulnerable to damage. Blinking also acts like a windshield wiper. Tiny particles of dust, dirt, and debris constantly float through the air around us. Every time you blink, your eyelids help remove these particles before they can cause harm. Imagine going several hours without blinking. Your eyes would begin to burn. Your vision could become blurry. And even simple tasks would become difficult. Something as ordinary as a blink is actually one of your body's most important defense mechanisms, and it happens automatically thousands of times every day. Number 4, sneezing. Have you ever tried to hold back a sneeze? Sometimes it feels impossible. That's because a sneeze is your body's emergency cleaning system. Inside your nose are tiny sensors that constantly monitor the air you breathe. When these sensors detect something irritating, such as dust, pollen, smoke, or germs, they send an alarm signal. Your body immediately prepares for action. A deep breath is taken. Pressure builds inside your chest. And then, a powerful burst of air explodes through your nose and mouth, all within a fraction of a second. The purpose is simple: to remove unwanted particles before they travel deeper into your respiratory system. Without sneezing, many harmful irritants would have a much easier path toward your lungs. What's fascinating is the speed involved. A sneeze can propel air at incredible velocities, fast enough to clear your airways in an instant. It may seem annoying when it interrupts your day, but every sneeze is evidence that your body is actively defending itself. It's one of the fastest cleaning systems nature ever created. Number 3, coughing. Now let's talk about another movement that most people only notice when it becomes annoying. Just like your nose, your throat and airways contain sensitive receptors. Their job is to detect anything that shouldn't be there. Maybe it's dust, maybe it's smoke, maybe it's a tiny piece of food that accidentally goes down the wrong way. The moment a problem is detected, your body reacts. Your chest muscles tighten, pressure rapidly builds, and then a sudden burst of air is launched outward. This is a cough. Its mission is simple: clear the airway, keep oxygen flowing, protect the lungs. Without this automatic response, small obstructions could become much more dangerous. In some situations, coughing can prevent choking and help remove substances that could damage your respiratory system. Most people think of a cough as a symptom, but it's also a powerful survival tool, a built-in defense mechanism that works without requiring conscious thought. Number 2, shivering. Imagine standing outside on a freezing winter day. The temperature drops, the wind becomes stronger, and suddenly your body starts shaking. Most people think shivering is simply a reaction to being cold, but it's actually a sophisticated survival strategy. Your body works hard to maintain a stable internal temperature. When that temperature begins to fall too low, the brain activates an emergency response. Your muscles begin contracting rapidly. These contractions are tiny and involuntary, but together they generate heat. A lot of heat. The purpose is to warm your body before dangerous temperature loss occurs. Without shivering, humans would have a much harder time surviving in cold environments. Your body literally turns your muscles into a heating system, and it does all of this automatically. No instructions needed, no decisions required. Just another example of your body's incredible ability to protect itself. And finally, number 1, the withdrawal reflex. Imagine touching a hot stove. What happens? Your hand instantly jerks away. It happens so fast that it feels almost impossible. Here's the incredible part. Your hand often begins moving before your brain fully processes the pain. That's because the signal doesn't need to travel all the way to the brain first. Instead, your spinal cord handles the emergency. The moment heat, pain, or danger is detected, an automatic command is sent back to your muscles. Move away. Immediately. This shortcut saves valuable time. And in dangerous situations, fractions of a second matter. Without the withdrawal reflex, burns and injuries could be far more severe. Your body doesn't wait for permission. It acts first, then informs your brain about what happened. It's one of the most remarkable examples of automatic protection in the human body. And it's working every single day, whether you notice it or not.